Today's video is about kids' room decoration. And unicorns are every kid's favorite these days. So I thought of designing one for my daughter's room. I asked her if she's okay with an idea, and the answer obviously was, do you want unicorn theme bunting for your room?
Unicorn theme? Yes, Mama. Let's get started. Mama, what colors you will use? Mama, is it done? Mama, when will you make
After 15 minutes of asking her that lovely little monster question, I realized that if I want little peace back in my life, I have to start soon.
Mama!
Yeah, already started. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this project, you will need 4 cutouts of unicorn body, preferably in white or similar color. 2 for the front and 2 for the back. After that, you need 2 cutouts of unicorn mane. Select any color of your choice. 3 colors for hair. Like I'm using dark peach, blue and purple. Then we need 4 colors of tail. Again, 2 pieces each. 1 for each unicorn. 4 golden horns. A thick thread like this. Then you need alphabet cutouts, like I am using Lucky, so I will take L, U, C, K and Y. 2 times the colorful circles of the number of alphabets in your name or anything that you want to write on your bunting. See, I have 2 circles of each color. Please make sure that circles should be big enough for your alphabets to be pasted on them, like this. A glue gun, some cotton stuffing and scissors. Let's start making our unicorn. I'm taking 4 colors for the tail of the unicorn. We will start assembling one over the other and will secure them by putting some glue in between the layers. We will place it at this position. Now we will paste back sides of unicorn horn to each other and paste it at the center of the unicorn's head. We will then place front of our unicorn on it, paste it in small portions and simultaneously stuff it with cotton. As you can see, we are done with the stuffing. Now we will paste mane and hair of the unicorn. Yay! Our unicorn is ready. Similarly, we will make one more unicorn as we need one each at the end of our bunting. Let's start with the circles now. We will put a little stuffing in between 2 layers of circles, and after that paste the alphabet of our choice. Once our unicorns and alphabet circles are ready, it's time to assemble them. For that, we will turn these upside down. Then, we will paste a thread on each of them so that they can easily be hanged. Paste small circle cutouts on the back also. Hooray! Our bunting is almost done. I really hope that you enjoy watching this colorful unicorn name bunting video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for many exciting videos. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I post something new. Happy crafting!